Good morning, Year 2, and welcome to Wednesday's maths lesson today. So I thought that we would start today's maths lesson by doing a little bit of counting on a number line because it is going to be really useful for your maths today. Now remember, when we are bouncing along a number line, we must remember to count before we bounce. So we are starting on 0 and we are going to jump forward one space. So everybody needs to count along with me first of all. So are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. This time we are going to count backwards in ones, and remember, count backwards as we bounce. So 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Well done. This time I'm going to say a number and we're going to count along at 3 bounces. So we're going to start on 12 and we're going to count along 3 jumps. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. What number have we landed on? We've landed on 15. Fantastic. This time I'm going to start on the number 6 and we're going to count on 5 bounces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where have we landed? Well done, we've landed on the number 11. And our last one, we're going to start on the number 17 and we're going to count back 5 bounces. So backwards this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have landed on the number 12. Well done to everybody who called out the right answer. So let's have a look at what we are going to be learning to do today. So in maths today, we are learning to add and subtract 1-digit numbers on a number line. So how can I use a number line to add? So let's look at our number sentence to begin with. We've got 8 add 3. So when we're using our number line, we would usually start on that biggest number. And the biggest number here is the number 8. So I'm going to be starting on the number 8. And I'm adding, so I'm going to be going forwards on the number line. I'm adding on 3, so I'll be doing 3 jumps, and I've got a little message at the bottom here. Remember, count when you bounce. So starting on the number 8, we're going to count 3 bounces forwards together. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. And where have we landed? We've landed on the number 11. So our answer is 11. 8 add 3 equals 11. Now on your work today, you're going to have some number lines printed onto the sheets to help you. But while we're doing a few together on the board, you might want to use something like a ruler or a tape measure if you have one to help you, or you could very quickly make your own number line if you don't have a ruler. So pause it now if you need to go and find something to use as a number line. Let's have a look at another one together. So remember, count when you bounce. 9 add 4 equals. So we're starting on the number 9 and we're adding, so going forwards, 4 bounces. So pause it now so that you can have a go at working out the answer. Well done if you've had a go at working out the answer. Let's see if you have got it correct. So starting on this number 9 here, we're going to jump forward 4 spots. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So well done if you landed on the number 13. 9 add 4 equals 13. Next question. How can I use the number line to add the numbers 7 add 8? Now you could start on the number 7 and add 8 bounces along, or you could swap it around and start on the number 8 and add 7 bounces. It will give you the same answer. It is up to you which way round you decide to do it. So pause it here so that you can have a go at working out the answer yourself. Right, I'm going to do it the easier way of starting on the bigger number. So I'm going to start on the number 8 and then add 7 bounces. So we're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 onto the number 8. And the answer is 15. So well done if you correctly worked out the answer 15. Oh, this time we have a message at the top. It says, look carefully because this time we are subtracting. So if you look very closely up here, we have got the take away sign. So when we're taking away, remember we go backwards along the number line. So we have 9 take away 2. So I'm going to start on the number 9 and I'm going to take away 2. So I'm going to jump backwards along my number line, 2 jumps. Are we ready? Starting on 9, 1, 2. And my answer is the number 7. Right, here's a chance for you to have a go this time. Remember, we are subtracting, so we are going backwards along the number line this time. So pause the video here so that you can have a chance to work out 8 take away 3. Right, it's my turn to work out the answer now, so you can see if you got the answer right. So I'm going to start on the number 8 and I'm going to jump backwards 3 spaces. I'm taking away 3. Are we ready? Bouncing 1, 2, 3. And the answer is the number 5. So well done if you worked out the answer to 8 take away 3 and you got it right. So today, Wilf, what am I looking for? I can add 1-digit numbers on a number line. I can subtract 1-digit numbers on a number line. And your challenge is I can add and subtract 1-digit numbers and teens numbers on a number line. So very similar to yesterday's where you had a little challenge moving into those slightly greater numbers. So today your worksheet is going to look a little bit like this. So you've got your number sentence and a number line underneath for you to show your workings out. Now these first two here are both adding number sentences, so you will be going forwards along your number line. But be careful because a few of them later on will be taking away and you need to count backwards. So good luck everybody, and I hope you enjoyed completing your maths today.